from negative to positive. I just want y'all to know that. And tonight, let's enjoy life. Pitbull, Nadia, Neo, that's right.
Vamos ver.
Sexy